Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Phantom 5 major news update. We'll have that coming right up. I have a couple of disclaimers before we get into the video. First is I've ordered a new microphone off of Amazon as my old one is no longer working. The second disclaimer is that there is absolutely no information on the FCC grant ID database regarding a DJI Phantom 5. Also, there is no information from DJI regarding an event or a release date regarding the DJI Phantom 5. With that, let's begin. Now, Osinolev on September the 4th put out a series of tweets. There were 3 of them, and I'm going to go ahead and put those up on the screen. First one says, well, it appears once again. Second one says, look familiar. And the third one says, Inspire 2 style. Now, this prompted a email from DJI to Drone DJ, and there was an article from Drone DJ on September the 16th. And the article was entitled, Leaked Photos Are Not a Phantom 5 Prototype, DJI Reaffirms. And in the article, it stated in there, a direct quote from DJI, it said, this was a one-off for a customer and not a Phantom 5 prototype. And again, this is very similar to what we had heard previously regarding the leaks of these pictures. Now, what was very interesting was the next day, Osinolev put out another tweet. So I guess the upcoming Phantom 5 will be over $1,599 to fulfill the gap between the M2P and Inspire 2. And then most recently, Osinolev put out a tweet, and it states there, some rumors said this thing called Phantom 4E, E means Enterprise. Well, this kind of design will be used on the upcoming P5. And you can see here, I'm going to roll a clip, which is actually, I took a screen capture through my iPad of a short video that Osinolev put out regarding this. So in conjunction with that, I recently found out some information from an industry insider that there are going to be 2 models of the Phantom 5. It's going to be a Phantom 5 Advanced and a Phantom 5 Pro, same as in the Phantom 4 series. The Phantom 5 Pro will be weatherproof, and also it will have the interchangeable lens systems. It will also be geared more towards a professional user. Now, the pricing structure has been rumored to be anywhere from $1,599 USD up through $2,199 USD. The release date, everyone is still guessing that it will be late 3rd quarter, early 4th quarter. And my thinking is, if you remember, the Mavic 2 Enterprise, I did a video on that. I firmly believe that that's going to be released at the DJI Airworks conference in Dallas that's being held from October 30th through November the 1st. Now, I believe the release of the Phantom 5 will still happen this year. However, my guess is it's going to be very late, after Thanksgiving and around probably the 1st week of December. Question of the day. Do you think that there will be 2 models of the Phantom 5? Please drop your note in the comment section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.